Okay, so now I'm gonna take this clip off right here, which is basically right under the mount. Take this clip off. Once you take that clip off, you have to take another one over here, another one over here. So once you take those off, you can pry this down. You should have enough to get the bolt out. Right there. And you want to support the oil pan just so that the mount doesn't drop a little bit with the pressure of the oil pan. Keep everything sturdy. So far, these two are loose. Okay. And we got one more back here. Gotta get a little, yeah, get it in there. Okay, so now those two are out. Pretty much loose. Now one more. This bolt should be able, if I pull this down far enough, I can get it out. If not, I'm gonna have to make more space. Should be enough. Okay, it came out. But you gotta really pry on this thing here very hard. You have to pry on that. And then it comes out. Okay, so I got it out. So you see the old one? Look at that crack. It's separated. The whole thing is separated. Look at the back. You see this one? It's brand new, so it has fresh rubber in there. I guess it better be good. Okay. Okay. So then we're gonna take the new one. These two bolts go down there. This goes on top of that, right by that frame right there. So put it in like so. And finagle it a little bit. And it's in there. Good. Wasn't so hard. And the bolt's gonna line up. Yep. Okay, next is gonna have to be to put this big bolt back right over here. But I need two hands. Now it is done without cutting this, destroying it, or removing it. Just remove the clips, but it's not easy. It's easy, not so easy to take out. It's even harder to put back in, but it's manageable. So now it's installed. Tight. Okay, so it's installed. That's good. Let's see. Look at that. Nothing. Let me try to shake it. No shake. Solid. That thing is not moving. That's how it's supposed to be. Nothing's moving. Not moving at all. No shake in there. Before you just press the oil pan, the whole thing, the whole mount was moving, especially all in here because it was ripped. Now, nothing at all. Nothing. Good. It's fixed. Okay. This right here is the reason why I replaced it. Look at that, cracked on both sides. And the whole thing moves. Whole thing was about to just break off. Wow.